Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting essentials out of the way so emoji input is reliable. Check that your Acer runs Windows 10 or 11 and install pending updates. This ensures the emoji picker exists. Next, set your keyboard layout and language in settings so shortcuts work predictably. Finally, enable the touch keyboard or on-screen keyboard now. This gives you a visual emoji panel. Once done, you're ready to open a text field and call up the emoji tools with keyboard or touch. Now you'll perform the core actions to insert emoji. Press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon to open the emoji picker. This shortcut is fast and consistent. Use the search box to type keywords, browse categories for reaction sets, and adjust skin tone when applicable. This saves time when you need specifics. Insert by clicking or hitting enter. If an app doesn't accept direct input, copy the emoji from the picker and paste it. Make sure to practice in Notepad once to confirm behavior. You're finishing with advanced tweaks and one key fix. For convertible or touchscreen Acer models, use touch gestures or the on-screen keyboard for quicker selection. It's often faster than typing. If emoji display as empty squares, that means a missing font. Install recent Sego UI emoji updates or run Windows Update, then restart the affected app. If you need more variety, consider a trusted third-party emoji app or browser extension. Just be sure you trust its permissions before installing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.